seagull-related fish fight. I'm Jimmy.
Chris, Brad, Bagley, John, Tom,
Bowler.
And we are going to do a form we call the zoom in, based off of an object that you give us right now. Any object, please.
Pitchfork.
Pitchfork.
Okay, we zoom in on the portrait American Gothic.
It was painted by a third grader.
The pitchfork only has 2 points. It literally says American Gothic across the top, and the K is backwards.
The two people are like half their age that they are in the actual painting.
And they're smirking like they just played a prank.
Yeah.
And they're wearing entirely too much makeup.
There's a little sign at the bottom that says, Mrs. Smith's 4th grade class. 3rd grade class. 3rd, 4th.
Still pictured by a K in American Gothic.
It's a incredibly ornate frame that it's in.
And it's all done in pastels.
Do you think that your classics program has brought great value to Palmview Elementary?
Of course.
So I say thank you, and
Yes.
you get a dragon sticker.
Well, this is invigorating. You have no idea how excited I am. I'm bubbling.
I can tell because you have your smiling face on.
Oh no, this is a facelift. I'm in a permanent smile. Everything makes me happy.
Everything makes you happy, eh?
Yes.
I'd like to see a montage of that.
Oh, I fell.
Oh, wonderful.
I can fix your transmission, but it's going to cost way more than the car is actually worth.
Oh, you're a blessing. Nice man. But
Typically, montages are longer than 2 scenes.
I don't think you have to be this nervous. You know what I mean? These kinds of competitions happen all the time, all right?
But you know, like, I don't have a game face like everybody else does, you know?
Oh my God, I lost and now I'm dying!
And that's not helping.
Oh, sure. But that guy, come on. That guy's over dramatic. You're gonna be fine, huh?
Oh man, winning is everything. It's so true.
Okay, all right. Listen. Win, lose, there's gonna be plenty of these competitions, all right?
It's been like 6 months of really hard training, and just I don't pull this off.
Sure. All right, so we work on your game face. All right, give it to me. Here's the
Man, we're gonna have to get more bullets. There's a lot of losers in this group.
Oh God, I'm humiliated and dying.
That's a pretty decent game face. Okay.
You're damn right there's an I in team!
My eye!
That's like, I'm like prepared, right? Like, I'm here to win.
I think you're fucked. It's looking pretty bad. Honestly,
That's right. It wasn't only the students that were in competition, you were just a lousy coach, too.
Fair.
thank you.
I'm interested in something in the gallery, but I'm a little confused as to the piece that I'm looking at the moment. It appears to be a turkey, yet designed in the shape of a child's palm.
That was painted by our daughter.
It's always a pleasure to meet an artist. How are you?
Tom.
It must be a fantastic parent to raise such a gifted
Hell yeah, I'm a fantastic parent. What do you imply?
no, nothing. I'm just remarking upon your wonderful parenting skills, and
Hey, Paul. I made you out of macaroni. Can this one go on the wall? Come on, Paul.
Hey, Hey, City Slicker, what do you think of this?
Please say it's good. Please say it's good.
If he doesn't say it's good, you ain't eating tonight.
No. It's a fantastically marvelous deconstruction of what appears to be, let's say, the Eiffel Tower. It's
The Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower?
It was supposed to be your face, Bob.
No. I meant, it's just.
How much would you pay for that Eiffel Tower in my face?
I would just. Well, you can't possibly put a price on a piece of artwork as.
You put a price on it.
No, please don't eat the artwork. It's fantastic. And it's just, I just want to. It's $7,000. I could.
Stop eating that artwork. And how much are you paying for the turkey hand? Or is Lisa May gonna have to eat chewing tobacco for dinner again? You're gonna make Lisa May cry. How much you paying for this turkey painting?
Well, I've already kind of maxed out my budget on the macaroni. I
know you spent your budget on the macaroni. So that'll be $10,000. We accept cash and only cash. Here at Rook Gallery. You.
Oh, you bested me!
Capital!
My God!
Mr. Phillips, why was my son's artwork left off the wall?
It's a case of not enough school supplies. I didn't have tape to put it on the wall. And alphabetically, we fell below other children, and it really wasn't a very good piece of. Before we go any further, are you going to hit me again?
I might.
Thank you for the warning. It's a compulsory class. Your son's not very good.
So he doesn't get on the wall?
No.
My daddy gives me chewing tobacco to eat for lunch. What do you got?
Delicious. It's like tobacco, but it's gum.
You want to trade?
I don't.
A new slogan for Bubbalicious. We zoom in on a marketing award. It's made by a third grader.
There's a cardboard star taped to a piece of paper.
It has a border made of rotini.
It says best marketing, but the C is backwards.
They wanted to put decorative stamps on it, but they only had a date stamp. So it says August 14th and a curve all the way around.
It's scratch and sniff, and it smells like raspberries.
At the bottom corner, there's a signature line with just an X on it.
And folks, as your legal representation,
I didn't know you were here.
I'm sorry. I have to let you know.
We were parking the car.
If you're gonna park in the car, please, you could text me.
You can stop me.
If you could just.
Well, I'm here too. Sorry. Hi.
Look,
Why are all these people showing up?
I'm sorry. My legal partner and I had to bring you into the meeting today to let you know that if you're gonna finalize this divorce, you have to sign with more than just an X.
I'm here, okay?
I know, but I never know when you're going to show up because you never text ahead of time.
Please,
We set a schedule. We set a schedule.
You never follow my schedules. I would have schedules all the time and you would never follow them.
Yes?
Hi. Do you want to sign this?
You see, schedule.
That was my one strategy.
That's what I'm saying. So, but still, a courtesy would be just a little text.
Hey!
Honey, I'm here. I finished parking
Hey!
the car. Coming in.
Hey!
Sign the contract.
We're having a discussion.
Oh, I get it.
Did he text you?
There was a ball of paper in my mouth.
I didn't even see that. Do you pitch?
I'm on a softball league in my spare time.
Oh, you're very good.
Thank you.
Softball league?
Really? You know, it's just so
We
nice.
love softball.
I'm glad that you know it's just nice to feel supported.
Oh, no, you're doing a great job.
Thank you. You know, I always thought you would be really good on the company softball team. No. You know, I know
No, I can't catch her
so
beans.
short. So
Oh.
she's the best.
We used to play softball, remember? We used to pitch and I would catch.
We also show up at the scene.
I know, well, it was on the schedule. Oh my God.
Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play the game called Who Can Sign?
I mean, I love games. I just need to know the rules at that time.
Who can sign?
Whoever doesn't sign first loses.
Oh
no! Oops, you're on that game.
Oh no! I wouldn't want to lose that game.
Oh man.
Oh boy!
Signs
Signs
first,
first,
loses.
So if you sign first, you lose?
If you don't sign first,
We're lawyers. You'd think I'd be better with
So if I
words.
don't sign at all, but if I don't sign at all, does that mean I win? Because I didn't sign first. What if I don't sign?
but if you sign first,
What if the game is just sign
If I don't
it?
sign
Yeah,
at
just
all?
sign
It's called
it. Just
sign
sign
it.
it. The
Just
paperwork.
sign it.
Just sign
Sign
it.
it. You want a candy?
You want-
You want a candy to
We got
sign
candy.
it? We get candy.
and I need to sign
We
it,
get
and then I
candy.
win this. So.
Okay, good, good.
Oh, so you're just going to beat me?
Ooh, candy! Candy! Candy!
But you
Candy!
didn't give me an opportunity to win it. We were still discussing whether I win by not signing. I can't believe you're this
Ooh,
selfish.
whoever signed it,
You
whoever,
just signed our divorce papers before I did. Why would you do that?
whoever signed the
That's so
second gets the
inconsiderate.
candy!
Who wants a candy?
Candy!
Sign the second one and
Sign
then
the
you get
second
candy
one,
too.
yeah.
It's not everybody. You already says you won.
It's a new game.
I'm losing everything. I even lost my divorce.
Ooh, good.
Who's that, peanuts?
Yes.
I'm peeing myself all over. I'm peeing. I don't know. I just peed out of confusion. That kind of.
Well, that was a fart.
That, yeah. Nothing to be afraid of there.
Nature seems like such a good idea on paper.
Peace and tranquility, they advertised.
Listen to the beautiful sounds of creatures.
Creatures that can be identified and some that
Clearly mythical.
Yeah.
Like we could be surrounded by unicorns. A driving unicorn.
That's a unicorn with an AK-47.
How does it work? The trigger.
Opposable thumbs. You don't know that unicorns have opposable thumbs? Come on.
I'm learning a lot. All right, that was a Wookiee.
Jason,
Yeah.
whenever you spell your name, you always say it's Jason, but the C is backwards. There's no C in Jason.
Old
family spelling. Carrie, Jacson. This is silent, but it's there.
It's Jackson.
No, it's Jason. It's Jason. We got it from my grandmother's side, choose.
You can see just Jason, Jason.
I understand your confusion. If the C was the right way, it would be
There's
Jackson.
no C's.
No, because the C's backwards. Yeah. Jason.
Backward C's don't.
They do where my family comes from.
That's a C.
Jason.
Hey, company picnics, am I right? Jeremy? I never realized that you had a D as your in front of Jeremy, you know, like, Jeremy, I mean, I've never seen that before, like a D and then I'm embarrassed.
You should be embarrassed. It's quite common.
It's not. It's actually not. It's not common.
Let me pull out the whiteboard here at this picnic.
Oh, I love the noises that come out from writing on whiteboards.
I need to write my name.
Pace all you want, doesn't make time go faster.
That's what all like kids, I don't have to be working till 6.
Meredith, pace faster.
Come on, honey, pick up the pace. You're letting your brothers and sisters down.
This is as fast as I can. Oh!
Meredith.
Just walking here. I'm just walking.
Barely. Look, if you're gonna walk slow, just stick to the outside so they won't bump into you as much, okay?
Listen, if you kids want to eat, you've got to be pacing faster and making more noise. Well, people downstairs will never leave before they finish.
I'm weak with hunger. That's why I can't walk
Shut up, Meredith. You're throwing off my pace. You're throwing off my pace. Meredith. Meredith. Stop.
Meredith, stop that. This happens every week.
Hey, you know how to do it by now.
We just want pizza!
Yeah! I'm busting out of here!
And I know what's going on.
That a girl, Meredith. Way to finally show some initiative in this family.
I finally get pizza!
Oh, no, you can't.
Well, Stephen, we're gonna have to take away your Student of the Year award. Wow. Thank you, Vice Principal McGillicuddy. And the sash, thank you, Secretary Johansson. I don't know who that was.
All your hopes and dreams. All your hopes and dreams.
Doing a fantastic job as a drama director.
That's fun for your soul.
We hired Lucifer as a janitor. It was a weird decision. But anyways, look, do you understand why we had to do what we just did, Steve?
Can't honestly say I have many feelings, man.
You shouldn't, okay? Because we have a very specific amount of time allocated for recess.
And miles to go before I sleep. Now, how do the words of Robert Frost make you feel?
I feel nothing.
And it was then that Colonel Vasquez pulled the pin on the grenade and stayed behind to kill all the xenomorphs, allowing her unit to escape. And how do the words of the sequel to Alien make you feel?
I recognize touching moments, but I don't feel anything.
See that he fell in a box. And how does this YouTube compilation of kitten fails make you feel?
I can see the likes, but I can't feel the likes.
Okay, so this is velour, and this is velvet here. Velour, velvet. Velour, velvet, see?
I honestly can't tell the difference.
See, now that was a montage. Multiple